You just found the 2024 Lincoln Corsair. Make the most of family outings in this refined and secure Corsair. From its silky smooth ride and touchscreen infotainment to its confidence-inspiring capability, this luxury compact SUV has you covered in style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start. SUV versatility meets premium luxury in this striking Corsair. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.